What's up, everybody? The future of golf has arrived. And Grant Thornton's teamed up with the best to imagine an even brighter future.
That's what we're trying to do, is grow the next generation and inspire them.
You just have to decide when you want to play, and nothing should stop you.
Making it more inclusive for everybody from all walks of life and all backgrounds.
To keep driving the game forward, amplifying diverse voices to grow the game for everybody, everywhere. By seeing more new golfers on the course and using our platform for change.
Golf found me. I didn't find golf. I didn't go out, saying I wanted to play golf. I'm using it to build a conversation as far as to get more people to reinvent what's possible for them.
Everyone will feel welcomed in golf when we make it more accessible.
I think golf can open the doors a little bit wider to bring more people into golf.
Seeing new kinds of golfers and hearing their stories.
Golf has given me that last missing piece to feel good about who I was. And that's what I was missing before golf.
We can act together. Because at Grant Thornton, we know growing the game and how you do it turns change into a reality. And we are ready.
We're starting to trend in the right direction, and 10 years from now, we will see more diversity. The whole stigma that it's not cool, like you said, it's cool to play golf.
So let's imagine a new future for golf together and make sure it's a game to be loved by all.
Ivan S. Aluminium door and window system made with Japanese excellence. Now made in India by YKKAP with Baruco Extrusions. 2-pane to 6-pane sliding windows and doors. Fixed and casement window and door combinations. Especially designed stays, handles and locks. All in-house. The WinS system is windproof, waterproof, pollution-proof, and 30 decibels quieter. Proof-tested to last over 10,000 cycles. The YKK Group in 71 countries with 42,000 staff. Our global projects: the Mode Gakuen Towers, the Singapore Botanical Gardens, the Singapore Reflections. At our Baruco Extrusions, we make custom dies, profiles and fittings. Every part of our Ivan S system is made in-house. The Ivan S system by YKKAP with Baruco Extrusions. Your reliable partner. Call us.
Back with live action, and we are viewing the 9th hole. SNC Eagles. Jasmeet Singh hitting his approach shot to the green. Just creeping and crawling on. I think he will take that. Not too bad. And his partner Colonel VN Gowda will go next. And their playing group is Promac Pinhai with Rakesh Mehra and Mr. Dheeraj. So now we are watching Colonel VN Gowda. Should be trying to aim over the flag given where his partner is. Let's see where this ends up. Oh, okay. On the green. Back left corner though. Just trickling off. Maybe they will go with Jasmeet's ball. Over to Promac Pinhai. And we have Mr. Dheeraj going first. Center fairway. Maybe about 100 yards. 100 yards to the flag. Difficult pin position. Flag and left of flag is what he should be thinking. Oh, that's a great shot. That is an amazing shot. Is 4 consecutive groups with 4 consecutive beautiful shots on the 9th hole. It's a treat to watch. It's a very accessible pin position. Red flag, 9 from the front, 5 from the left. And next we have Rakesh Mehra. Trying to do one better than his teammate, but just look at the ball on your screen. That was amazing. Rax also hits a great shot. Just crosses the hole. What a group. Amazing. Great golf this morning. The sun is out. It's starting to get a little warm. No rain predicted for the day. Highs of 27, which will probably hit only at maybe 12 or 1 o'clock. And coming down the 18th, what I would believe, I can only verify once we see the camera, would be teams of Rosetta by Ferns and Anugraha Atria Power. But right now, all eyes on hole number 9 with the SNC Eagles and Promac Pin High. We have not shown the scores yet, but after this group completes this, we will give you an update of the scores and the team standings with as much data as we have available here. Choosing to use a pitching wedge or a sand wedge. Team from SNC Eagles, Jasmeet Singh. Need to have delicate hands for this one. It will kick to the left. Maybe just pitch it on the first cut there. And that's what he's done. Very difficult chip there. And Colonel Gowda looking to opt for the ability to just drop outside the first cut, which he is well within his rights to do that, and gives him the opportunity to maybe take a putter. Yes, the putter out from Colonel Gowda. Get a little more control with the putter. Line just left of that marker over there. He would be hoping to get as close, if not in the hole. Just rules clarification. After a little delay, we have the SNC Eagles, Colonel V.N. Gowda with a putter in hand. Definitely a right to left putt. Oh, he's got to hit that. He's not happy with it. Had the idea, good idea, just short on the execution there. Also this morning, we welcome to the commentary box Miss Meena Prakash. Madam, very good morning. How was your round yesterday?
Very good morning, Rahul. And good morning all the golfers today, for all the people who are watching live online KPL 2021. Please forward the link to most of them so that they can have the benefit of watching live, even though not in person here, but it is a wonderful experience to come and watch here today. The course is looking beautiful. I had a decently good game. The rest depends on the other partners today who are playing the second day. So Rahul is doing a wonderful job. So I'm just coming to prepare for a few hours with him. So luckily got in the putt. Yep. Yes, Colonel Gowda got in the putt beautifully. So I think they have the point for their team. Looking bright and sunny as their t-shirts. The course also is looking bright and sunny and a wonderful weather to play golfing weather today. Amazing. Now I can see Mr. Dheeraj waiting for his birdie. So if he has a stroke, then he'll have a net eagle, hoping to get one. Action happening there. He has got it. Wonderful. Rahul applauding the putt there. He's a great golfer too, so he knows the strength and perseverance which happens there.
So that is the Rosetta by Ferns team, and alongside them the Anugraha Atria Power with Akhileshwar on the ball right now. So Akhilesh maybe hitting his third shot, maybe a little heavy, but he's made it down that. Okay, great chip, left himself a decent distance for that putt. And picture in picture on the 10th hole.
It's on. Okay. To press. Okay. The ninth, then you would have finished the ninth. Be here.
Suhas from Atria Power. Oh, that's a great shot by Mr. Sanjay. I think that little jog really got his adrenaline going, energy up, and that was an extremely good shot. Almost a given, but not in the KGA Premier League. You have to mark your ball and finish the hole. So in our picture-in-picture, we do have SNC Eagles, Jasmeet with an iron in hand on the 10th hole. Big swing at that one. Center fairway is what he would be aiming for. And in our main screen, we have Mr. Sanjay finishing that hole. Joy from Miss Draupadi there. Definitely a fist pump coming up there. I think a good par. Fist pump, there it is. Colonel V. N. Gowda off the tee on the 10th with the driver in hand. And just finishing up on the 18th on our main screen is Anugraha Atria Power. Suhas with the first putt. It's like a left inside. Pushed it right. Missed the line there. But no worries, his partner still has a chance to make it right. All right, crucial putt here from the Anugraha Atria Power Akhileshwar V. Bhatt. He's got his eye on the line. Bear claw kind of a grip, and there it is. That's a great putt. Fist bumps all round, and off they go to hole number 1. On the 18th hole, we have Prashant Patil from Casu Marble Italia. I'm sorry, Prashant Paul. I'm just going to call him Paulie because that's what we usually call him. Hitting it, aiming for the green. Let me see if I can get a quick glimpse of where it goes. Maybe not, and he's not looking very happy either. All right, and his playing partner from Casu Marble Italia is Mrs. Asha Patil. Alongside them in the orange, the Ramaya Royals. Miss Patil, steady swing, exactly where she wanted it. Good shot. Over to the Ramaya Royals. Seems like he had a wood in hand. Nope, can't see anything on the green. Maybe when we get a zoomed out view, we can have a look at where all the balls have gone.
As far as I can remember, Mr. Ganapathy had the leading points in the first round, wherein nobody could touch. Mr. Ganapathy and partner who were playing for Ramaya Royals, they had an amazing whooping 45 points in the first round. Nobody could beat that. And Mr. Umesh from our police department, IG Police, still very active in the golf course. He thinks he's beating the criminals here too, left and right, but amazing hitter. It's short of green. Well placed for them.
45 points on the first day is an incredible achievement, I must say. 45 points in the scramble is doable, but first day is quite impressive.
Today being the scramble event, everybody have got a target of 45 and above. So it's also a fun format wherein the scramble format, as you all know by now, it is the best ball, picking up the best ball and hitting them from the same position, placing after the first partner has hit. So most of them are targeting 45 and plus. Some have reached 47, 48, today 51. So what more could you ask for? This is the changing strategy for the tournament. Anybody can go on top, anybody can come down. So this is the format where they can make the most of it. All the best. Go for it, guys.
51 points yesterday by a group in the afternoon from the Kaveri Express, Nikhil Puvaya and Miss Neeta. So 51 points is an amazing achievement.
What do you say? What do you say? How to strategize for this, Rahul? To get 40, 50 and all?
Yeah, to strategize to get a 50-pointer, you need somebody like Nikhil Puvaya in your team who can do all the heavy lifting. But great. He's an absolutely great golfer. I think he missed out on the first round. So I think in his mind he really wanted to prove himself, and 51 is
what a steady player is. Amazing.
Yeah, I really enjoy playing with Nikhil Puvaya, and he was captain of a team last year.
Wherein I was playing in that team last
year.
Nikhil
second.
Yes,
Yeah.
So I had the privilege of playing with Nikhil in that team, last year's team, say the KPL second edition. So we had a gala time, and he was the pillar. Nikhil Puvaya was the pillar, and he motivated us so much, and we stood second thanks to him. Good captaincy, and the team owner was very proud. Even though he was the first time owner in KPL, he was amazingly proud of our team. So thanks, all the credit goes to, I think, Nikhil. Good job done, Nikhil, and you're continuing the inspiration to this team this year also. Wonderful. So once again, who are all online watching, welcome to Bangalore, one of the best courses happening in KGA, Karnataka Golf Association, and KPL 3rd edition 2021.
All right, on the 18th, we have Prashant Paul. What I can assume is they're hitting their third shot. Paulie going with a lob wedge, throwing it high up in the air, hoping for it to stop quickly. Okay, just over the pin there. I think he'll take that. Not too bad. It's puttable. Let's see if little bit uphill and a left to right. But let's see if Miss Asha Patil can put him closer. I'm pretty certain she'll be backing herself to do just that. Oh, unfortunate shot there. Unlucky, but not to worry. I think Prashant Paul is in a decent place. And that's the beauty of this scramble format. On on the 9th hole, we have the teams from Krishvi Dishum and Britannia Bourbon Birdies making their way up to the green. I think the Krishvi Dishum team is making their way left of the green, trying to have a peek at the water, just make sure their ball is there.
As of now, we don't have a tracking system where the ball is positioned, but our technical team is working to get the ball tracking very shortly. Hopefully, we'll get the position of the ball tracker. So it's a chance. It's near the hazard. I don't know whether they can lift the ball from there. Is it the ball is in play?
It's in play. It's in play. And yes, I completely agree with you. A club like KGA, we should have PGA level tracking, ball flight, all of it. We should also have a drone.
So we have reached this level so far. So finally, by the end of next league, we will hopefully have all the ball tracker shots. Our technical team is working hard towards it. Way to go, guys.
Mr. Srinivasa, thank you so much for the correction. 52 points for Nikhil Puvaya and Neeta, which gets another gasp from Meena ma'am.
Nikhil, you are amazing.
I would love to have a look at that scorecard. Maybe I can go on the KGA app and encourage all of you all to also download the app, track your team, track your favorite players.
And also, please give us the feedback, what is missing, what is not missing, whom you're rooting for. Would be happy to know about that. More the merrier here.
All right, action from the 9th hole in your picture. Picture the Krishvi Dishum team being left of the green. It's a straightforwardish chip, even though you're in a bit of a slant or an incline. I think just pop the ball high up in the air and land it somewhere towards the first 10 steps of the green, and the ball should trickle down to the hole. Just a bit short. Had the right thinking. Over to his partner, who has a bit of work. Do forward the link to all your WhatsApp golf groups. This partnership of commentary between me and Meena ma'am is just for today only.
You're most welcome, Rahul. The more the merrier here too. Why not have all the fun? His partner duffed his shot there, so they have to take the first chip itself. It's on the edge of the green, a long putty. Looks like a long 20-30 footer putt there for him. Some more Dishum to be done there. Dishum team, they have to attack the pin. Let's see who will get it.
Even on a bad hole, I think a bogey is, you can walk away with that, because you eventually get a net par, which is 2 points. Anything more than that is trouble. So they will be hoping for a 2-putt from here, if they are 4 there, to secure a bogey and at least get 2 points for the team.
It is easy, I suppose, because it is a stroke hole for everybody. Most of them will get a stroke. It's a index 1. So, yeah, bogey is very decent enough in this hole.
Also a difficult putt. Oh, that's a great putt. Oh, how close to the hole was that? We will try to get you visuals of that. It's right in front of me. This is the 18th though, Asha Patil. Has the line, started well left, great putt.
Oh, just missed the hole.
Just had a bit of speed on it. It was a great line.
Even the putting is going on only 9th and
Going with a split screen view here, so do let us know in the comments whether you like the picture-in-picture or the split screen. On the 9th hole, the Krishvi Dishub team going for the hole. Oh! Both of them just missing it by a whisker. I think great effort from, after that chip that they had, I think great effort to be where they are. That's a good part from the Britannia Bourbon Birdies team as well. And now for one of them to try and sink it in the hole. Thank you, Mr. Srinivasa. Split screen view is better than picture in picture. Noted, sir. We will try to use a lot more split screen than the picture in picture. Tracking, just missing it from the left. Good putts from both the teams, all four players. I think they can choose either of the 4 putts and finish the hole. Prashant Paul on the 18th, trying to clean up and close the hole. Center putt, yes it is. And the Krishvi team. While we wait for the next groups to come closer to the green, take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors: Callaway Irrigation Products International Private Limited, Gokuldas Exports, IIFL Private Wealth, Tata Hitachi, YCAP, Club Mahindra, Pro Cycle, Sitecare Hospitals, Pernod Ricard, Bacardi, United Breweries, Kingfisher, Grant Thornton Bharat, and Atrimed Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. On the first hole, Anugraha Atria Power. Suhas standing over his putt.
Polly, pull out some blinders, dude. I want to commentate saying, Polly, what a shot, Polly, and all.
Right now, we have in our commentary box Mr. Dara Chinnappa, the captain of Ramaya Royals. Sir, would you like to say a few words about your team today?
Yes, I think they are pretty well. They're doing, especially Yuri and Umesh. So far they have shot 25 points out of 11 holes. We were expecting around 50 out of them. If that happens, I think we'll creep somewhere in the first 6.
Visuals from our tee boxes while we wait for groupings to approach the greens on hole number 9 and hole number 18.
And not to forget, all the scorings and updates are brought by Grant Thornton, the technical team managed by them. Wonderful updates are given by them. The team is working very hard. Good job, guys.
So, just after these tee shots, gonna try to shift to hole number 9, where we have coming in the ASM Aces, and they're playing team partners Kaveri Express, and I think Vittal is on the ball. Safe to say he's hitting his 3rd shot. High light draw, flag and left of flag is what he would be aiming for. Can see him directly behind the flag stick there. That's okay. Good swing. Tracking it with his eyes. Where to go? Okay. Little left of the green on the mound here.
Very well placed downhill slope putt for him, hopefully there. As you know, the greens are playing very badly today. The slopes underestimating the strength. So that is the amazing fact of KGA greens here. Unpredictable. Let's hope. Who will sink it in?
Now over to his playing partner, Mr. Prashant Sakamori. Hoping to do one better than Vittal from the ASM Aces. Center green is what I would be thinking, and hoping he's thinking the same. Has struck that, but maybe they're looking right. Oh, okay, center green. I think he's got it. Definitely that's the ball they will be choosing. It'll be a slight downhill left to right putt.
That's the best position to be in this 9th hole, because all around bunkers, hazards, water. Even though the water is beautiful to look at, but for them it's like one danger there. When they see water, they'll hesitate to go towards that. So very dicey area, the 9th green. All around hazard, bunkers on the right, left side, canal, water. So beautifully pitched in the center of the green, Prashant.
And using a range finder to track the accurate distance on the 9th hole, we have the team from Kaveri Express. And while they make their way down, we're expecting on the 18th hole the Green Riders team and Team Protect with Green Riders Zubair Ahmad and Colonel Shashidhar, and on the Team Protect we'll have SP Balasubramaniam and Puneet Jalan. And I think whoever has been with us for a long time, if you watch the early morning session, I think SP Bala had actually Puneet Jalan had a great shot, and so did SP Bala on the 9th hole approaching. Pretty certain they made a birdie there. However, action on the 9th. Kaveri Express has gone for a fade. Let's see where he's ended up. Oh, that's a great shot. That's a very good shot. About 12 feet from the hole. Great effort.
The sun is shining very bright. It's very difficult to trace the ball itself, but it is an amazing shot from there. Easily puttable, slightly uphill.
Now for his partner, let's see if he can do better. No, just short of the bunker. Players make their way onto the green.
Some split screen. So picture and picture, no? On the first hole or the 10th hole. Yeah.
As of now on the leaderboard, Kaveri Express is leading. Followed by Anugraha, Itria Powers, Kasuma Balitalia, Krishvi Dishum, Promac, Rosetta, SNC Eagles, Ramaya Royals, ASM Aces, Green Riders. By the end of the round, we'll never know where the table will turn. All are playing too good golf today.
We also had another round of 51, Abhijit Singh yesterday, and his partner. The name is just passed by on the screen. So, Singhji, if you're watching, well done. I know you were watching in the morning. If you're still with us, excellent round. 51 points is a great achievement.
As you all know, the scoring here, every round it varies, every hole it varies. So it is a swing, up and down, up and down. Lot of mental strength and strategy happening here. Mr. Kalyan Sundaram is with us. What would you like to say, sir? How is the team faring?
Thank you, guys. It's wonderful to be here watching this from the deck. And I think our team is faring fairly okay now. What we need to do is consolidate what we have gained. Most importantly, the course and the players and the commentary, I think has been absolutely fantastic, splendid. It's a new experience for KGA and KPL. I think can only go from strength to strength. I'm looking forward to playing this afternoon and hoping when they are focusing on me, I don't make an ass of myself.
So someone has to make some mistakes. Golf is golf.
Exactly.
So,
but you can make mistakes. You don't have to be an ass.
Anyway, all the best for your round, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Kalyan Sundaram for us.
All right, Vittal lining up his putt on the 9th hole. Downhill, left to right. How much left depends on how much speed you want to give the ball. So he will be trying to get it as close to the hole as possible. Good strokes, got to slow down, way over. All right, he was being a little aggressive, but it's still makeable.
But as you say, Rohan, somebody has to go aggressive and somebody has to go slow in a downhill putt.
It's always the player going first needs to be safe, and the player going the next has to be a little aggressive. If
okay.
the first player has left, let's say I'm going first and I leave it 2 feet, it's a doable putt. So as the
okay, be safe. Yes.
Be a little more aggressive and never leave a shot. I think that's the biggest crime. If the first player has gone and has just missed the cup and you are trying to be aggressive and you leave it short, You've not even given the ball a chance.
Chance to meet the hole.
Chance to even get to the hole. So
At
that
least
is,
chance to kiss the hole and miss it.
Yeah,
Always say
absolutely.
kiss and miss. So kiss the hole and miss it. I will follow to the core next round, Rahul.
Who will follow to the core?
When I'm putting, I'll use your words. Keep it in mind.
I will be in the commentary box that day. I will make sure I'm here. Nice, delicate touch. Can't see through the legs. Just shot. Just shot. Had the line, not the distance. Kaveri Express wanting this putt. Good touch. Does it have the legs? Move away a little bit. No, no legs. Great effort.
As you all know, the 4 fixed cameras are working on all the first tee, 10th tee, 9th green and 18th green. And 1 or 2 moving cameras around the course, trying to bring all the updates as
So-
often as possible.
So the team is planning to go to hole number 8 with the moving camera. So we're going to get some nice action. So
Yeah,
if you
8th
guys-
hole is one hole. Fantastic to watch. So many birdies, so many waterbound balls
Waterbound
floating.
is what I'm looking forward to.
Do you love swimming, Ra?
No, I don't.
Anyway, we'll wait and watch.
They're getting ready now to go to 8th hole.
Yes, the team is getting ready to go to the 8th hole to get the action on there. Wonderful teamwork by
I'll let you know once we are live from fourth.
It's quite hot. Let me know how the water is. We'll go for a swim or something.
Yes, Santu, go for it, Santu. Tempting to go for a swim now, but 8th hole. Have a look at it and update us from there, please.
All right, we have the team coming in from hole number 18, and that is, let me just fetch out these names for you, from the Green Riders and the Team Protec. Zubair Ahmad and Colonel Shashidhar, and from the Team Protec is SP Balasubramaniam and Puneet Jalan. And on screen right now, addressing his ball, is Zubair Ahmad with what looks like a rescue or a 3-wood or a 5-wood, one of these options. Looking at the flag, will definitely want it to be on the green. That would be his goal. Let's see how he goes. Oh no, he's not going to be happy with that shot. Stop. Maybe trickled into the swale or the lateral hazard, as we call it. Definitely will not be happy with that shot. Over to Team Protec with SP Balasubramaniam and under the umbrella Mr. Puneet Jalan. Balasa, as he's fondly known, getting ready for his shot. Seems like a good strike. Oh, what a shot! Oh, what a great shot. High fives all round.
Yeah,
Just past the
wonderfully
hole.
done, wonderfully done. Just past the hole. Sure recovery putt there. He could have passed the hole and slightly or towards the left of the green there. It's quite puttable.
Definitely puttable. That's an amazing shot, Bala, sir.
Way to go,
Well
Bala. Very crisp and neat shot there from Bala. And one more clean and crisp chip and putt here. Clean and crisp putt. That will be icing on the cake for him. Wonderfully done.
I don't think Puneet uncle needed to even take out a club. I think he's just happy to walk to the green. It was such a good shot.
Who knows, he might get in much closer to the pin. He walked off?
You're walking and coming.
While he's saving his energy.
The sun is out in full swing. It's quite humid. It's a little warm. So I think it's a good choice to, save up your energy and just walk to the green.
But, can they do that?
Yeah, definitely allowed.
Yeah?
So the only thing is now you have to use that ball. That's it. You don't have a choice.
But why? Who knows? He might get in the given.
No. He's not a long hitter. So uncle would have tried to lay up just before the swale.
Okay.
So they will also evaluate whether they can actually reach that much or not.
Okay.
It was actually honestly a very, very good shot from Balasa because that's easily 210.
Yes.
210, 215 yards. And he's hit a 3-wood to easily 10 feet. I mean, that is an amazing shot. Amazing shot.
Nobody can beat that. Wonderful. Just for clarification.
Action from the 9th. Oh. There it is on the left-hand side of your split screen. Rosetta by Ferns. Where did he go? That was Rohan a while ago. Now it's Dr. Ramana. Just behind the tree on the left hand side of your screen.
It's so humid and sunny. What do you say? The afternoon weather forecast is saying wrong.
No, it's going to be warm. It's going to be warm. 25, 26, 27. Light cloud cover. So do bring your umbrellas. All the people playing in the afternoon.
Any predictions of slight rain?
0. I feel it's 0. I checked the weather in the morning. Hopefully not until 5 or 6. If there is any calls for rain, it should be after that.
Yes. Lucky day. The golf gods have answered.
Mr. Zubair Ahmad from the Green Riders with his chip. Let's see where it's gone. Oh, that's a great chip. It's a great effort.
That was a nice beauty there.
Very nice, very nice.
Split screen 9 and 18.
They're coming. See, he's hit a good shot. We couldn't see.
Yeah. From the 9th, they're approaching towards the green. One ball we can trace from here, center of the green here.
15 feet maximum. That's a great
Yes,
shot. Great
15
shot.
feet. Easily puttable
By the Atria Power team. That's a
by
great
the Atria team. Dr. Ramanna, I think, is walking there. Huh?
Rajesh Chandrasekhar and Mr. Srinivasan.
That is Mr. Srinivasan. Sorry, guys.
This is Dr. Ramanna.
Yes.
From the Ferns.
From the Ferns, Dr. Ramanna and his team there on the edge of the green. Discussion going on there.
Just watching.
Watching the.
All right, here comes that shot.
Here comes the shot.
Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Just right of the
Okay.
flag.
Just on the mound there.
All right, 18th hole. SV Pala after that shot. I think putting for birdie would be a fair assumption.
Got it? Has he got it?
Still putting it.
Yes.
Left to right. Maybe one ball left. Come on, Bala sir. Has the speed. Get up. Oh, just left it short. Just left it short. That's all right. His partner is a great putter as well. I think he'll back himself to make this putt.
Just the right amount of speed, but in the end it turned by the edge, brushed the edge and passed by the nick of a time there.
And on the 9th, Rosetta by Ferns. Quite a good chip. I think now it's up to Rohan to try and get it closer or in the hole. His partner is very safe. Mr. Puneet Jalan. Let's see if he can make this putt. He's seen the line. He's seen what Balasar had done. Aiming correctly. Left off. Oh, he's got to hit it. He's got to hit it. He knew it as soon as he hit it. He felt it. He felt he had left it a little short.
It took a backspin, not the right amount of speed there.
Congratulations.
He tried to go a bit slow on the putt there. Took the backspin and cut down the speed.
To the right hand side of your screen on the 18th hole, Green Riders. Colonel Shashidhar lining up. Good positive stroke, a little too much. Lesser speed, and I think that would have just used the brake. It just blew past the brake there. Zubair is up next. And while he gets ready for his putt on the 18th, action from the 9th, left hand side of your screen. Anugraha Atria Power. Just on the first cut. Should not be too much of a wobble coming off the face of the putter. Right to left, slightly downhill. By delicate putt, delicate stroke. Does it have the legs? Oh, just about. Leaves it a little short. But I think his partner has a fair idea of what to do. On the 18th, right hand side of your screen, Zubair Ahmed. Good stroke. Misses it on the lower side. Missed it on the higher side. He's saying to himself, yes, that is true. Missed it on the lower side. The left hand side of your screen, Atria Power. His partner is safe and well placed. He has to go for it. Oh, it's just missed the cup there.
Good attempt from him.
Yes, yes, very good attempt. Zubair to clean up on the 18th. I don't enjoy these kind of putts. Got a little disturbed. Pulled away. I don't like these kind of putts, madam. I usually miss most of them. 2 feet, 3 feet and all, I cannot do it. But looks like a left-righter. And he's got it.
Been his son doing this. He's been seeing his son doing this. Mostly he's the mentor there for him too. So the genes follows. His son also is a great player.
Absolutely. So no pressure for Zubair there. Very good putt. Bala to clean up as well. On the ninth green we have the Kasu Marble Italia and the Ramaya Royals. Mayur Patil making his way just short of the green there, using a putter in hand, just reading the line, and his partner Ajay Paul will be closely observing what line Mayur goes. Safe to say that Mayur is 3 there, so he will. Well, it's a difficult one. So this is where it is. So Mayur is a good player, and so is Mr. Ajay Paul, of course. But Mayur will have the urge to go for the putt.
Okay. I do get it now.
But he should be careful not to go
Overdo
too
it.
much over, because then the pressure will go on
his partner. Yes.
If it was Mr. Ajay going first, then Mayur going next would have had the freedom.
Yes.
If Mr. Ajay had a good putt.
With the confidence he can go for it then.
So now he's a little this side or that side. He should not overdo it. He should not underdo it also. But he'll want to be as close to the hole as possible.
Giving his partner confidence to go for it. He's taking a practice swing, gauging the speed and green there.
It will jump out of the rough a little bit, but a little uphill, so he has to give it a little bit of power. There it is.
He is going
Those are
for
the
a
jumps.
chip and run there. It is going towards the hole, but fell short of it.
That's what happens when you use
a putter
out of the rough.
Out to the fringe, yes.
It jumps a little bit, and then you could be in a little bit of trouble.
Okay, what do you say? Is it better to use a putter or a chipper there?
Individual choice, really.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, it's a personal choice. If you see Mr. Ajay now, he's using a.
It's a chipper or a putter.
Yeah,
I think
maybe a pitching wedge or a sandwich.
Yes, a wedge. Yes.
For me personally, I will use a pitching wedge or a sandwich or a lob wedge.
What are you comfortable with the distance?
Whatever you are comfortable with.
It looks okay.
Has the speed, but it's got to slow down. Hit the flag.
Okay.
No,
It caught the speed in the downhill and going towards the edge of the green there. And from Ramaya Royals, we have Kratish Bopanna and Said, I think. Yes. Bopanna and Said there.
So this is also a downhill left to right putt. Speed control would be the most important here. Let's see how he goes.
Slow down, got the, no. Just missed the hole there. Good try, amazing putt, I can see.
So now his partner
Yes.
has all the freedom
To
because
go,
look how close he is.
Yes.
But don't leave it short.
Yes, go for it.
Go for it.
Good teamwork happening, we can see a little bit here. He left it short, yes. Little more extra careful he was. He didn't go for it, yes. I know what you mean now.
Mayur lining up his putt. Will definitely want to sink this, and I am pretty certain if he does, we will get a fist bump from him to his partner.
The course is playing better than last week this time. The greens are all solidly dry and fast now.
I've not played golf for 6 months now, so you will have to give us that information.
After the incessant rain, it was unpredictable, but...
All right, here we go. Mayur finishing his practice swing. Definitely a left to righter. Almost flat, little bit uphill maybe.
Oh,
Gets
yes,
it.
that's
Fist
it.
bump.
He did it.
Well done,
What
Mayur.
a putt, what a putt. A clean and nice downhill putt there. The right amount of strength. Wonderfully done. Wonderfully done.
Okay, just some cleanup work from the Ramaya Royals.
A tap into the hole. And they'll be done. Yes. I think it'll be for a bogey, I suppose. I also would like to applaud the course maintenance team here after all the hard work and since heavy rains due to the 1 month or almost. Even during the rains, they've done a wonderfully meticulous job in keeping it nice and clean and the well-maintained greens and fairways. Wonderfully, not a speck of leaf or not a speck of dust seen anywhere on the course. Wonderful. A nice applaud for them too.
On the 18th hole, we have the Britannia Bourbon Birdies. Mr. Tarun with a putter in hand, maybe 3-4 yards short of the green. Blue flag, uphill all the way. We've seen a few people putt from outside the green, and they have left it short. So let's see if Mr. Tarun can cross that big mound that is there. Yes, he has crossed it. The mount has done a bit of the work there. Okay, that's a good putt. Mr. J.S. Aluwalia, also with a putter in hand. Key is speed and line, which is right of the hole. It's just making it over the mount. That is also a good putt. I think they will have a tough time choosing which ball to choose. In the meantime, team from Krishvi Dishum with Monty Paruti and Major General T.M. John on the 18th green.
The course is looking like a photo frame here, as though it's been painted to perfection. See the background on the screen also, you also can notice, I suppose. It looks like a wonderful painting by a beautiful artist with the right amount of color, combination of the greens and light and dark and flowers. No less than a painting there. Aren't you seeing? All the hard work, practice is paying off today for all the golfers today. He's doing up the divots there, lining up for the putt. That must be Krishvi Dishum.
Yeah, Krishvi Dishum and Monty Paruti.
He's taking a good practice swing there, nice and smooth, clean.
I think he's backing himself to make this putt. Fully focused. It's a difficult putt. You've got to go uphill and then use
The right
slope.
amount of speed. It
Get
is
it
going.
there,
Yes, there he goes. Wonderful putt there. What a right amount of line and strength. Beautifully done there for Krishveer Dishum.
Monty, great putts on the 9th as well
Wow.
as the 18th.
What a putt, Monty. Wonderfully. Oh my gosh. Well, I can use this opportunity to say, oh my God, what a putt. Wonderfully done, Monty. Not leaving his partner a chance. Now we have other.
Mr. J.S.
So
Ahluwalia.
Mr. Ahluwalia taking the putt there. He missed it. Just crossed the hole. What a feeling to have the long putts fall in. Wow. We can label them, oh my God, putts. Now people are gathering, golfers are gathering around in the clubhouse here for the afternoon round, for the next session, afternoon session, gearing up to
The
start.
crowds seem to be, yes, trickling in slowly. People making their way to the range.
Getting ready to for the afternoon round.
Oh, who
Oh,
are
who's
these?
these? Who are these people on the screen?
Hi to everyone.
Hi everybody.
Hope you're enjoying our little commentary duo or our commentary partnership.
We're
One
having
day
the
only,
privilege.
limited
We're having
time.
the privilege of live and being seen on the screen. What more could you ask for?
I'm just waiting for Monty to come by. I got you on the 9th and 18th.
What a
9th hole and 18th hole. Awesome, awesome.
awesome putt that was. Awesome putt. Yes, Monty's passing by with it.
So you just walk along, sir. You just walk along.
Let Monty do all the hard work. They're just going to the first tee now. Monty and his team with a grin on their face.
All right, we have visuals of hole number 18. And in hole number 18, we have the ASM Aces and the Kaveri Express, Sundar Adige running across the fairway. And behind him, the ASM Aces, Ishan with his rangefinder, trying to track the distance to the flag. So that's Ishan Patodia and Dr. DP Narayan. So they seem to have chosen Dr. DP Narayan's drive. Looks like maybe about 225 yards to go. So the strategy here would be for Mr. DP to be safe on the fairway.
Yes.
And Ishan to be a little aggressive.
It's always better to be short of the hazard there.
Depends how far he can hit it.
Yes.
If he's confident to hit it over the lateral hazard, go for it. Otherwise, short of the hazard, be safe for 100
So
yards
give the
to green.
confidence for your partner to go for it.
He's a 4 handicapper, so he should be able to go
Yes,
for the green
yes. So that's a strategy here.
Absolutely.
Having a high handicapper and a low handicapper together.
here. So an iron in Ishan's hands. While I also encourage the team to get a split screen for the 9th hole as well. 9 and 8.
Even first green also some action is happening there. We can have a look at it also. Okay. Both 18th and the 9th green, the approach shot, they are trying to walk on the fairway for the approach shot to the 9th and 18th green there.
Ishan on your right hand side of his screen. He will be the one from the ASM Aces team, especially in this pair, who will be looking to go for the green.
He has hit his shot. Of course, you won't be able to see that, but let me have a look on the green
Yes.
to see
Huh?
if anything.
Yes, it has reached the green. Oh no, it's run to the bunker there. Next to the green, left side of the bunker.
Bunker, I believe.
It just went to the bunker there.
Unlucky.
Unlucky for them. What a good shot from there. Almost around 200 yards, will you say? 225 yards from the approach there for him. Dhruv doesn't want to speak to you. So I think they have to take his partner's ball there, or they can also try attempt to take
They
it
will do
from the
Ishan's
bunker.
ball. I think
Yes.
they'll do Ishan's ball. But right hand side of your screen, Sundar Adige from the Kaveri Express, who seem to be leading as of now as well with 217 points. Sundar Adige from the bunker, hitting his shot number 2. Good strike, clean strike out of the bunker. Let's have a look on the green. Oh, he also goes in the green side, left hand side bunker. So I guess both the teams will be playing from
From the bunker.
The bunker.
So as you know, there's a rule like, replacing the ball. They can smoothen the surface and place the ball.
On the 9th hole, left hand side of your screen, we have teams of Green Riders and Team Protec. Safe to say Green Riders hitting the shot here. I think he went in the bunker. Mr. Shiva Kumar and Mr. Ajit Rai. Desmond Rice and Dr. Kodikar.
What is the best score can you expect in this scramble round, Rohan? What would be the best score?
Anywhere between 44 and 48 would be...
Okay, then 50% will be very
yeah,
exceptionally
those
good.
are exceptional
Very
rounds,
exceptionally
absolutely,
good, yes.
absolutely.
So that will be the game changer. Today's the best score will be the game changer for the third round, I suppose.
Yes, definitely.
There's some putting action happening there.
Yeah, Abhishek Thomas on the green on the first
On
hole.
the first hole. Yo, it just crossed the hole. Mr. Sudhir Krishnaswamy is trying to gauge the distance and speed there.
Let's switch to the approach shot on the 9th. We have Dr. Gautam Kodikal. He'll be backing himself to put this on the green. Oh no. In this whale. His partner, Desmond Rice, will now have the chance to put it anywhere on the green. That would be their hope.
Why will it distract our players when they see water or a swale in front of them, even though they are on the fairway?
It's a mental block. I was telling my father as well.
Yeah?
Anytime you see water, you
Yeah, why do we do that?
you cover your face and look only to the right side where there's no water, and aim to the right. It's just, I think that's the challenge.
Yeah, how you are mentally strong. See, the one more shot coming to the green there, edge of
Very
green,
good.
running
Desmond
towards
Rice, I
the
think
center
they'll
of
be
the
happy
hole.
with that.
Yes, it is going to land up in the center of the green there, giving him a nice putt. Scope for a nice putt there. Downhill putt.
All right, we have Ishan Patodia. I suppose they didn't go with Ishan's ball. They went with the partner
safe ball,
shot.
yes,
So Ishan
yes.
hitting his third shot.
See, anyway, if he's on the green, they have a chance to putt. No?
too bad, but I think he
It is
knows he
towards
could have
the
done better.
yes, towards the left of the flag there on the slope. Slightly a dicey putt there for him.
All right, now to Sundar Adige and his father, Narayan Adige.
Is it family golfing?
Family golfing. Father-son combination, yeah.
Yes.
And get you a split screen on the 9th hole. Coming out of the bunker, that's a good shot.
Wow, looks amazing.
Difficult shot it was by Desmond Rice. No, that's not Desmond
No,
Rice.
no.
The Green Riders team.
Yes.
But I was well out. Let's see if his partner can do one better. On the 18th, we've had Mr. Narayan Adige have his go. That slope has been a problem for many players today. They all come short of the green.
Yes.
They try to use a putter to go closer to the hole.
Yes.
But if you can remember the 18th green, there's an uphill.
Uphill and the
then
down
it'll go
slope,
down.
yes.
They're not able to cross that mount. A lot of players have had an issue
Difficulties.
to cross that
I think
mount.
that's the challenge. They made few holes very easy and the few holes very deceptive greens, deceptive holes in the positions as far as I can see.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the
Yes,
flag
few
on the
holes,
9th
yes.
hole is a easy,
Easiest.
approachable, accessible flag. Flag on the 18th is a difficult one.
Very difficult one. I think Desmond is taking the line and about to putt left to right. It is the slope is from left to right and downhill, slightly downhill.
Slightly down.
So yes, it caught the line, but it crossed the hole a bit too much.
The crowd is building up behind us.
The noise and club is gaining momentum.
Yeah.
Getting ready for the afternoon session there.
All right, let's look at the 18th hole. I think Ishan will be backing himself to make this putt. Pretty certain he will be backing himself to make this putt. Let's watch him to see if he can make it happen. I think Dr. Kodikal will definitely go first, so all eyes on the left-hand side of the screen. Having played with Ishan, I think he will take some time. All right, Dr. Kodikal on the left and Ishan
Lining
on the
himself
right.
for the putt there.
Watching both of them. Ishan just lips out. That was a horseshoe lip out. Oh, he's going to be upset with that. It's a great try though.
Yes,
Just
a good try.
Lipped out.
It's a good try.
Hate those times when it actually lips out of the cup.
So
You
now
know,
we
you think
now
it's in and it's not.
yes, he's got a fair warning now. How to go about it? Golfing festival atmosphere in the course and in the clubhouse. Amazing festival celebration happening in the golf course.
Green Riders team, left-hand side of your screen. Oh, leaves it short. And on the right-hand side, Sundar Adige, lowest handicapper of the day, handicap 2. Trying to convert this. Misses it from the right side and leaves himself still a little bit of work to do. Just replying to Mr. Surya with a question. Yes, it is a rule. Whoever ball you choose to play, they have to go first. That is a rule. Oh, Sundar missing that part as well. He's not going to be happy with himself. Would have been wanting those points, but his dad, Mr. Narayan, does have another go. Let's see if we can save Sundar from that miss. Some improvements, as you can see on the screen. A shot tracker. Looking beautiful. This looks like hole number 4. And we are trying this year and see if we can make it happen every time next year.
See the ball tracker happening there. So kudos to our technical team who are fighting to make it better and better every day. Wonderful, yes, wonderful swing there. And now they're tracking the shot and hopefully they'll be tracking the ball too.
Formality shot here from the Ramaiah Royals. Also a good shot, but I think his partner is closer to the hole. In the bunker, Kasu Marvel Italia, Shishir Patil. Remember him from the 9th hole. He had a great approach shot and a great birdie on that hole. Out of the bunker, and let's see where he goes. Oh, great shot. About 4 feet. 4 feet to the 4 to 6 feet. And Jyotsna will try to hit it closer.
Lot of activity happening in and around the clubhouse as the afternoon groupings are making their way to their designated tee boxes. As we watch the 18th hole, Ramaiah Royals.
Everybody, all subways free for wine and this guy.
Wine. We've heard it here first from Rahul Balla. On the 9th hole, we have Misha Paruti. Rahul Balla cheering him on from the gallery, offering him a free subway.
Players don't need, I need.
Don't widget.
On the 18th hole, the Ramaiah Royals. Should be a light left-right break. Little uphill. Misses it on the right. And on your left-hand side of your screen, Misha Paruti trying to replicate a similar shot as his brother did on this 9th hole. Monty Paruti had a great putt.
All the best.
Going down the hill there. Can he control the speed? I'd take that. I'd take that. 2-3 feet away from the hole. That's a good putt. Not characteristic of Misha, I must say. But I think he will take that putt all day long. On the 18th hole, right side of your screen, we have Castle Marble Italia, Shishir Patil. I think this is a par putt, having been 2 in the bunker, 3 out. This is a par putt, a crucial putt. Definitely a stroke hole as well. Yes, face pump, celebrations.
What a putt, what a putt.
Great putt. Should maybe acknowledge his partner a little bit. There she comes.
Okay, the couple are playing together?
Yep.
Wow, we should have a couple round next year then.
About guys like me, ma'am.
You find your partner by then. You find your partner by then.
Wayne, eligible bachelor.
Or you can bring.
Number 1.
Yes.
So, and a good golfer as well. So anybody
rooting for him?
Please drop an email to tour@kga.in.
There are quite a number of good guys, bachelors playing on the course. Anybody rooting for them, please?
Ashwin Kora on your screen, left hand side. Also one of them eligible bachelors. Long putt, left to right, slightly downhill. It's got to slow down.
Okay.
All right,
Not
that's a
bad
good
at all.
putt. Good putt.
There are only 1 or 2 holes left by the before the afternoon session sets in, but hopefully they'll finish. Jyotsna, what is your role today? Supporting. All the players after the morning round, they're walking out. And 1 or 2 groups playing still. Hopefully they'll finish in a short time and the afternoon sessions begins. With as of now the Kaveri Express leading, followed by ASM Aces. Kaveri Express with 2-2-2. What a wonderful score there. ASM Aces 2-1-2. Anugraha Atria Power 2-1-1. Promac Pin High in the 4th position 2-11. Their tie up there. A tie between Anugraha
Misha on the 9th hole. Hoping to make this putt.
Again one more 2-11.
Yes, fist pump there.
SNC Eagles 210, Green Riders.
I think he had to control himself to make sure the first putt was close to the hole.
And Casu Marble Italia by 200. Britannia, Bourbon Birdies 193. Oh, a round of applause there for the finishing team there. Well done, guys. Another few minutes and they'll update all the scores, the latest. A good teamwork by the technicians here, keeping the scores updated every now and then. After the briefing, all the afternoon session players are walking towards the respected holes. A lot of golfing to start with. Another few minutes, then you'll have the latest updates on the scoring. Yes. My God. One better than the other there, the scoreboard. What a round, what a round.
They needed a 48.
So what is the team doing now? Which team is this? Yours?
No, Marvel Italia.
Mm-hmm. First of all, they don't have a stroke.
No, very few. Only one team has a stroke. Sure.
Yeah.
Kaveri Express. One has 19 strokes. One has 18.
Very few teams. Only one team has got a stroke in the first hole. Yes. Combined handicap should be 18 and above. Yes. So this is one format wherein the higher handicappers have a good round with getting all the whole strokes.
Good putters, easy for
yes, the putt should be in. The best day is the day you get the putts in.
Wayne has just shared that Shishir needs a par for a 48 round. He has taken out his driver, will be definitely keen and eager to drive as close to the green as possible and miss it on the right really because you have a good approach. All right,
okay,
he's
very
eyeing
nice
it.
Draw there, I suppose. Beautifully done there.
40 yards off the pin.
Oh wow, he's left it very for a chipping shot there. Just 40 yards. Yes. Looks easy from here for him. Yes. He left himself scope for a par there. If fortunate, a birdie too. One more nice drive.
The owner leading from the front.
The owner taking the responsibility of carrying Jyotsna too. off the course and on the course.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, morning round, last groups approaching the 9th hole on your left hand side and 18th hole on your right hand
Just
side.
one more hole to finish it off and get the scores finalized. Then we can have a latest update on all the scores today. Still leading is Kaveri Express, followed by ASM Aces. One more hole to go to update there for them. Putraj has been taken to action here for parking is parking is buggy in the no parking area.
All the best.
On your left hand side, 18th, I'm sorry, the 9th hole, Kaveri Express in our screen, team of Ajoy Sharma and Rohan Menon. And on your right side, 18th hole, we have the Green Riders and Team Protec. Good shot on the 9th hole on the green. I think that will do. Ah, the ball using the slope, rolling back just a little bit. Rohan Menon on the 9th hole approach shot. I think we'll go with his partner's ball. I'm not sure where that ended up. His partner is on the green though. And on the right hand side, hole number 18, Green Riders.
It's live. It's happening. From the bunker, that is. So as and where they can place the ball in the same position and his partner can take the shot from there.
They have to recreate the lie though.
But they have to recreate the lie for the same place. Yes. So they can rake the bunker and place the ball as and where in condition and recreate the same lie as the partner hit, and then his partner is taking the shot. He's lining up for the shot now. Okay, where's the ball heading to? Way past the hole and running in the slope, catching the slope there. We would like to see some action on the 9th green now. No. Which hole is this? Yeah, action happening on the 18th hole. The player lining for the putt there.
Just
As
sing.
you can see, the sun is too freaking hot. They're roasting the golfers on the course today. They wanted sun, the sun is out after the incessant rains. Shishir is burning the course today.
He's almost 49. He gets a birdie 50.
He didn't want Jyotsna's company at all today. He managed all on his own. He managed all on his own. Wonderfully, he's carrying. Of course, he's doing so well. Yes. Jyotsna has complimented him in every way, off the course and on the course. Off the course and on the course too. Okay, we have John here. Oh. We have John here. You want to have a few words from Kasu?
Not really, but since I'm forced to speak, I just hope the team does well today. As of now, we are doing quite well with Shishir and Jyotsna on the last hole, 46 points, and we're still looking at Paulie and Mayur finishing well. I think we are in a very, very, very good position considering the first round that we did well. So anyways, the whole tournament looks fun, so I'm going to hand the mic back to Meena. Thank you.
So John, all the best to your team. They're doing wonderfully. As of now, they're in the 4th position, tying up with ASM. So the good job done there today. Today is any day's game. The table will go, as you know, up and down with this format. So wonderfully done with your team, and kudos to you. All the best for your next round. Wonderful.
Thank you. And he'll fuck up.
Left hand side of your screen, hole number 9, Rohan Menon. It's a left to right putt, slightly downhill. Hoping to end on a high with a good putt. It's tracking, he likes it. Just short. Good effort. Gets a light round of applause from the gallery. And on the 9th hole, left hand side of your screen, Prateek Sabharwal from ASM Aces. Alright, Prateek Sabharwal on the 9th. Will be wanting this.
watching it. Does it have the legs? Oh! Just missed. Mark it. See if his partner can make it. Good effort by Prateek.
I mean, the partner's got a line now, so what do you think?
Doable. It's not like it's not doable. Also, please welcome Wayne to the commentary box.
Thank you so much.
So it's doable. Let's see if he can. It's all about line and speed, right? I mean, that's the crucial to any part, I suppose.
He got the speed perfectly. The line was all, I think it's a little more left than Prateek's, right?
Yeah, that's right. Miss it on the higher side. At least you're giving it a chance to get in the hole.
And nothing to lose as well.
Mr. Shivanand taking
And
his
it's
time.
off.
Does he have the line? Oh, just lips out from the right this time.
Bad luck. Great putt though. Great putt. Brilliant putt to make.
Formalities.
This must be the first time I've seen so many pars on the 9th hole.
Should have seen.
देश बनाएं, एक नहर जो खुशियों की लहर बहाए, एक फैक्ट्री जो लांघे कौशल की सीमाएं, एक माइन जो अंधेरे चीर रोशनी लुटाए, सफल भारत की नींव रखें, चलो देश बनाएं। एक एयरपोर्ट जो ख्वाबों को नई मंजिलों तक ले जाए, एक मेट्रो जो महानगरों का मनोबल बढ़ाए, एक हाईवे जो व्यापार को नए पंख लगाए, सफल भारत की नींव रखें, चलो देश बनाएं। केवल रेत ईंट सीमेंट नहीं, आशाएं जज्बात भरे हैं। हर निर्माण में, हर इमारत में कुछ कर जाने का इरादा है। एक जोश है नए भारत में। बेबाक बुलंद बढ़ते हैं हम, सुनहरा समृद्ध कल हमारा है। ये वादा आत्मनिर्भरता का है।
In 2008, IIFL Wealth dreamt big. Today, we are the leaders in wealth and asset management, credit solutions and succession planning. With $38 billion worth of wealth and assets under advice, the trust of over 6,700 families. We've achieved this faster than any other Indian financial enterprise, not by following the cardinal rules of financial success, but by writing our own. We've challenged the definition of conventional management and proved that conviction and hard work are the fastest routes to success. We haven't hired employees. We've attracted people with an owner's mindset. Because when you own something, success becomes personal. Ours is a company where owners work and workers own. Today, we can put an exact number on the revenue we've generated, the profits we've made, the taxes paid, the awards we've won, and the number of lives we've transformed. What we can't put a number on is the unending trust we've built. It's not without reason that we've chosen the Shri Yantra to define our purpose. With a symbol that embodies Goddess Lakshmi's tool to create unending wealth, we are well prepared for the next decade and more. We are here. We are now. We are IIFL Wealth.